Difference between spotting and period. Difference between spotting and period. Most women know their normal menstrual period, when it's coming, the number of days is going to last. Why some other group of women are not aware of the difference between spotting and their normal period. And I'm here to explain all of this in this video. Please stay tuned and watch to the end to know when you're spotting and to know the normal period in your monthly cycle. Spotting could be as a result of different things. If you're pregnant, you can be spotting. And aside pregnancy, there are other things that can make you to spot. So all of this I'm going to explain in this video. Please stay tuned. If this is the first time of coming in encounter with this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. In this channel, I talk about the good lifestyle, that which you need to do to remain healthy. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. So, in this channel, I talk about so many things that will help you to prevent some illnesses, that will help you to stay healthy and live the good lifestyle you desire. If this kind of content you enjoy watching, please subscribe to this channel, stay tuned, turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscriber, this is me saying thank you. Stay tuned. What is the major difference between spotting and your period? Spotting is any bleeding from the woman's vagina that is not the woman's normal menstrual flow. Any spotting that is not your normal menstrual flow. Every woman, or averagely, most women know their menstrual period, when it's coming, the exact time it's coming, and how many days it's last, and how heavy it is. That is what every woman should know. And most women are not aware of this. That's why I'm explaining it in this video. And I said that spotting is any bleeding from the vagina aside your normal month cycle bleeding. Why your period is the women menstrual cycle that normally occur in every 28 days for most women, every 28 days, and lasts for about 3 to 7 days. Obviously, the bleeding in your menstrual period is heavier and needs pad or tampon to control it to avoid messing you up. But spotting, most times you may not need to put pad or tampon because it is not heavy, it is lighter and not heavy. So you see the major difference. The color is light in pink. It's usually lighter than the normal period. Your period is heavy, the color is darker than that of spotting. So anytime you're bleeding in between your period, for example, if you have a 28-day cycle and you see some spots of blood in between before it gets to your normal, some have 28-day cycle, some have 30-day cycle, some have 31, some have 21, and depends on what your cycle is. But when you see any bleeding per vagina between your cycle, in between, then it's a call for action. You need to know why is it coming at this time. That is what we call spotting. And spotting could be that you're pregnant and you're spotting. It comes before your menstrual cycle. That means that you are having implantational bleeding. That's if you're pregnant already without knowing it. Before you miss your period, you will see that there is implantational bleeding. And that implantational bleeding is usually very light. It can last for some hours to some days, but it is not heavy. That is what we call implantational bleeding. It is coming at that time because the fertilized ovum is taking its place, is being embedded in the uterine walls. That aside, another time that you can notice some spotting is some for some women during ovulation time, you see they will spot very light. That is a sign that you're ovulating. It doesn't happen to all, it happens to some people. So you need to observe and know why you are spotting. Then, if for any reason you don't know why you're spotting, please go and see a medical personnel. Go to the doctor and find out why. It could be as a result of infection. It could be as a result of some certain medical condition that needs some attention. So obviously, if you notice any bleeding in between your cycle, it is a call for you to check while it is coming. Please do not forget to ask questions if you don't understand what I explained in this video. Remember that you have to know your cycle and know the difference between your normal menstrual flow and spotting. It is important as a woman that you know your normal menstrual cycle and know when an abnormal is happening. Ask me question using the comment section and I'll answer you. Do not forget to stay healthy and take care of yourself. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not. Bye for now. See you in my next video.